So today's tip of the day is how to make a quick stop bath. Now I've run out of acetic acid, so I need a stop bath. This is how I do it. I've got sodium metabisulfite, and that makes a great stop bath. I'll tell you why in a moment. You need 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of the sodium metabisulfite. Here it is here. I'm going to dissolve it into 1 litre of warm water. Just put it straight in. Give it a quick dissolve. So what's so good about this stop bath? Well, first of all, it's very efficient. It stops film very quickly, and papers too. But the other thing is, it's easy to know it's still acidic. If it smells acidic, it is acidic. And that's the good thing about this one. With acetic acid, you can't tell by smell when it's becoming expired. But with the metabisulfite, you can. Just smell it. If it's acidic, bingo, you're okay. I hope that's a good tip for you today, and I'll see you on Tuesday.